Okay, guys, let's review what we did on Tuesday. Remember, we introduced 5 vocab words: contrast, insolent, insinuate, craven, and distraught. At the end of today's lesson, you guys are going to have a little bit of a vocab quiz where you have to explain what those words mean in the context that they were used in our story. Also, on Tuesday, we reviewed characterization and contrast by watching a scene from Doctor Strange. Remember, 2 surgeons are characterized by using contrast. One is made to look really smart because he's standing next to a doctor who's dumb, and the doctor who's dumb is made to look extra dumb because he's standing next to a doctor who's so smart. That's what contrast does, guys. It makes things stand out. So then we broke down our essay prompt and turned it into a 1-sentence question. What does Thurber's use of contrast tell us about Walter Mitty as a character? Remember, today I've decided we're not going to write a 3 to 5 paragraph essay, but we are going to answer this question in a race response. So we need to be thinking about this as we read. How does Thurber, the author, use contrast to tell us about Walter Mitty as a character? And you should already be noticing the major contrast between Walter Mitty's fantasies and how he acts in reality. So think about what that contrast tells us about Walter Mitty. And finally, we read the first 2 pages of our story, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty.